अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए टेक सिटी को और साथ में बने हुए बेल आइकन को दबाइए ताकि टेक्नोलॉजी से रिलेटेड हमारे आने वाली हर वीडियो को आप देखें सबसे पहले, और ये बिल्कुल फ्री है।
Talking about the quick specifications, the Mi 6X features a 5.99-inch 18:9 display, and it is 7.6 mm thick, with a weight of 166 grams. The smartphone is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 660 processor. In terms of memory, Mi 6X comes in three variants, which are 4GB RAM plus 64GB storage, 6GB RAM plus 64GB storage, and 6GB RAM plus 128GB storage. The display shows beautiful colors, it has narrow bezels on the sides, and it looks quite similar to the Redmi Note 5 Pro. In terms of design, the Mi 6X comes with a metal body that has a curved rear panel. Also, the smartphone has been carved using CNC technology. In order to make this smartphone ultra-thin, that has a thickness of 7.3 mm, Xiaomi had to remove the 3.5 mm headphone jack from the smartphone. Disappointing. The handset can be availed in multiple colors like cherry pink, red flame, glacier blue, quicksand gold and black stone. Really, the smartphone feels very slim and comfortable to hands-on. The display looks extremely beautiful and sharp, with a full HD plus resolution. Do let us know your opinions about the display department. The display looks extremely beautiful and sharp, with a full HD plus resolution. Do let us know your opinions about the display department. However, the Snapdragon 660 that features an artificial intelligence engine powers the Mi 6X. The Mi 6X is packed with 3010 mAh of battery, that includes support for fast charging. By charging it for 30 minutes only, the phone can gain 50% power. It is also equipped with AI Smart powering function. The Android 8.1 Oreo OS is pre-installed on the phone, and it is overlaid with MIUI 9.5, which brings support for full-screen gestures. Also, it comes with an AI voice assistant that was introduced with Mi Mix 2S in the previous month. Anyways, the interface of the smartphone looks smooth and snappy with no lags at all. The vertical dual camera setup and fingerprint reader resides on the rear of the phone. The dual camera setup comes with a 12-megapixel primary Sony IMX486 sensor with f/1.75 aperture and 1.25 micron pixels, and there is also a 20-megapixel secondary Sony IMX376 sensor with the same aperture but 1 micron pixel size. The rear camera setup is accompanied by phase detection, autofocus and dual-tone LED flash. On both the back and front, there is AI scene recognition for better colors in the photos, as well as portrait mode. Other AI-based features in the phone include AI background bokeh, AI Smart Beauty 4.0, AI currency conversion, etc. That's all guys, thanks for watching, hope you liked the video, get subscribed to our channel for future updates, more videos are coming on the Mi 6X, so stay tuned, and as always, keep watching and keep smiling.